Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add background color to chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open our document. Now we want to add background color to chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu, then click chart option, then choose column chart and click OK. Then close the sheet and click the chart. Then click right button and select format chart area. Then select the fill color and select solid fill. Otherwise you can use gradient fill, picture, texture fill or pattern fill. Now I select the solid fill and change the color of this color drop down menu. Now we can see here we add a background color of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.